Hello makers, Melly here from AGF. Welcome to the AGF Quilt Block Collection. Living in Florida, we're always feeling the summer vibes. And with Maureen Cracknell's new collection called Sunkissed, you'll feel it too. Sunkissed is all about relaxing beachy prints in warm summer hues. I'm drooling over the Palm Island Escape print, showcasing beautiful sandy beaches with swaying palm trees under the hot summer sun. Today I'm sewing up the magical looking Windswept block. Have fun following along with me, and make sure to stay tuned to the end of the video to see how my block comes together. If you're new to our channel and love learning new quilting techniques, don't forget to subscribe below to watch more fun sewing tutorials like this one. Check out the description box below to download a printable PDF with all the cutting requirements and step-by-step instructions. To create your square in a square unit, take 4 2.5-inch squares from fabric B. Making sure fabric is going in the same direction, draw diagonal lines with a fabric marking pen like this. Place on each corner of a 4.5-inch square from fabric A, and sew on the line you drew. Trim your excess fabric to 1/4 inch. Repeat this same process with your other 2 corners to reveal your square in a square block. To create our half square triangles, we're going to use the 4 at a time method. Take a 7 1/8 square from fabric E and B and place right sides together. Sew 1/4 inch around the entire square. Cut on each diagonal to reveal 4 EB half square triangles. Press open and square your blocks to 4.5 inches. Draw a diagonal line from corner to corner with a fabric marking pen to the wrong side of your 2-inch squares from fabric C. Place 4 squares right sides together to each corner of your half square triangle like this. Sew on the line you drew and trim your seam allowance to 1/4 inch. To create your remaining block units, take all your 2 by 3-inch strips from fabric D and place out in front of you as follows. Next, take your remaining 2-inch squares from fabric C and place to the ends of each strip like this. Sew on the line you drew and trim your excess fabric to 1/4 inch and press open. Sew these units to each side of a 1.5 by 3-inch strip from fabric E. Make 4 of these units. Draw diagonal lines on the wrong side of the fabric on all your 2-inch squares from fabric D, with half of your lines going to the right and the other half going to the left. Place right sides together to the ends of a 2 by 4.5-inch strip from fabric C. Sew on the line you drew and trim your seam allowance to 1/4 inch. Sew these units to the bottom of your previous units to create your remaining 4 blocks. Now you have all the units to create your blocks. Place the units out following the block design and sew them into 3 rows. Sew your rows together alternating seams, and sew your rows together matching up seams. Your Windswept block is complete. Make sure to share your quilt blocks made with AGF Fabrics on social media using the hashtag AGF Quilt Block Collection. Your Windswept block is complete, and the yellows, corals, and greens are so electrifying. For more fun projects made with Sunkissed Fabrics, make sure to check out our new fabric project catalog. The link is in the description box below. Let me know in the comments what your favorite print from the collection is. Thanks so much for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, make sure to share it with all your sewing friends, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Until next time, happy sewing!